Hi guys, my name is Mfundo and welcome to the Sonic Oasis. So in this video, I'm excited to bring you the new Pianoteq 9. This is a plugin created by Modart, and if you've never heard of the word Pianoteq, and you might be asking yourself what is so special about it because there are so many piano libraries out there. Well, Pianoteq is a physically modeled software piano, which means it does not use any samples, any playback, or any audio recordings. Everything is purely from code, and each note is generated as you play. And what it all boils down to is it feels and it actually plays like an actual instrument. And since everything is purely code, it means that every parameter can be messed with. You can alter the mic positions, you can alter the soundboard itself, you can alter the condition that the piano is in, and you can also detune each note by note. And that is the main advantage of a physically modeled instrument, is that it brings you control that you cannot simply get on a sampled library. So with Pianoteq 9, they are introducing a brand new audio engine, which they say enhances stereo and spatial perception. And they have also introduced a new Italian triple harp, and they've also updated the Mark II and the Reed's electric pianos. So those are the Rhodes and Wurlitzer pianos. They have now introduced a new somber preset for all the grand pianos, which they say is ideal for emotive and cinematic playing. Another new feature is now you can add up to 8 simultaneous microphones, placing them anywhere that you want in the 3D space, and you are able to mix the volumes and levels of each mic, which is something you can only do with physical modeling. The great part is if you already own Pianoteq 8 and you bought it after the 15th of October 2024, then it means that you are eligible for the brand new Pianoteq 9 for free. If you own any version of Pianoteq and you'd like to upgrade to version 9, it'll only cost you $29. So even if you own Pianoteq 2 and you want to upgrade to Pianoteq 9, it'll still be $29, which is really awesome and huge value for money. There are some more upgrade parts and I will link it up below. So that's if you're upgrading from one version to a different version, like from standard to pro, or from like stage to standard. That will all be different pricing and I will link it up below. So I did receive a pre-release version of Pianoteq, which is what I am using to demonstrate in this video. And I'm not being paid by Modart or being sponsored to create this video, but I do have an affiliate link. So if you were already interested in purchasing Pianoteq or upgrading, you can simply support this channel by using my link, and it will be at no extra cost for you while still supporting a channel. So now I'm going to head into the no talking sound demo part, and I'm just gonna let this instrument speak for itself. So judging by the name, it may not be very obvious that Pianoteq actually features other instruments. And that's all from me, Mfundo, from the Sonic Oasis. If you made it this far, it means that you probably enjoy content like this. And this is all I do on this channel: sound demos, no talking sound demos, plugin reviews and updates. So if you're into this sort of stuff, please make sure that you do subscribe and hit a like button. And I'd also like to give a huge shout out to our Patreons who really helped support this channel month to month. And without you, we really couldn't do this. Until the next one, I will see you later.